So this is kind of a funky feature that we built into several of our kitchens. It looks like a bank of pantry cabinetry. That's the fridge there, the island, and some more upper cabinetry in the range here with a hood fan. But this is not actually a cabinet. It opens into another room. It's actually the laundry room. There's more food storage here and on this side, but it gives them access. There's access from another side of the house also, but they wanted access to the laundry room from the kitchen, so there you go. So that's kind of a funky feature. It's funny because you add funky features to the cabinetry, and really it's very desirable for resale. People see that kind of thing and they go, wow, that's funky. And they'll pay more money for that kind of thing, oddly. But I really like it. We've done several of these in different homes, and it's pretty popular. It's a funky feature. What can I say?